Kublai pi baro shakathub Khuborjylla ka donbosco media network. Kimat ki bakong san menta ka singi kilong. Sam ka Bethany Institute de ki course su jam haki Samla kenthe bala pass training. Tuit ki Samla shaka employment mela come job fair hanongko. Kentu ke HYC ya UDC ban penyat janai ya ke examen DSC. Ban Sngomu ka JAC na live polling station ya ka KGDC. Bat mentang ni pai shiki Khubor ke bakambanya. Ka Bethany Institute of Resource Development BIRD umsning kala penlong ya ka 14th skill training graduation ya ki kena ki bala deb ya ki training haki kam bakila pentebit haki ni ki benai bala la ki kam bakila yo jing hikai ki kentup ya ka tailoring, dress designing, beautician bat ka computer. Hakani ka graduation ceremony, Most Reverend Archbishop Victor Lingdo ulalong ukongsan. Ladan lang ru ka provincial ka St. Bethany Sister na Guwahati, Reverend Sister Ruth BS, ba Andrew L. Murthong, BDO umsning CNRD Block, Reverend Sister Joy, Provincial Barim, baru ka Program Coordinator, Reverend Sister Mavis, Director BIRD, bat kiwe kiri rangba, bat kilong kami. Nakaliang ka BIRD kala ais ngobha da ki sewing machine knang ba ginsdang nya laki kam ki jamban yeng halaki jong ki kjap. Kani ka institute ka ai training man ubanai na kabenta ki tu gi bampat yo kam bad ki khna ki ba pep school no shiteng por. Da kani ka training na kani ka institute kila ban seng nya laki jong ki kam ki jam layat ho ka Reverend Sister Mavis.
Ruth, I'm very happy to see you here. Guest of honor today, Sister Mavis. Thank you so much for inviting me. Sister Joy, all other sisters, brothers, fathers. I know my sister invite all of you here so that you may be known to others. Now that we have seen, we see, we believe. Today I am very happy. The first time, I have confessed the first time. Why no? They never invited me. This time somehow they invited me, so I passed through this way. I admire this beautiful place. I don't know, beautiful center, beautiful building, beautiful classroom, beautiful way of setting up. But I'm really sad that less students. But I hope now you know. Please inform to others. Try your best to inform. Because this training here is very unique. I could see it's very unique. Because all the girls are trained very well. All around development. They can dance. They can pray. They can sing. They can play. They can act. That means very unique. Now more of training skill here. That is why very, very unique. So I'm very happy also the parents of the trainees are here, the staff here, they are doing very well. So I'm very happy to be with you here today. So it is an immense honor to stand here on this momentous occasion, your graduation day. Today we celebrate your achievement in tailoring, dress designing, beautification, computer courses, as you have learned, have heard. These are very important in the world of today. These are not just a certificate, you have given certificate. They symbolize your hard work, determination, and the first steps towards a brighter future. Hopefully these young girls today, your future will be bright.
Ka District Employment Exchange bat ka Office u Deputy Commissioner kila penlong ya ka Employment Mela bat Job Fair ha District Library Nongpo ha ka khatnyau terek NOHPRAH. UDC Abhilash Branwal ula play ya ka ne ka mela kabala kershan da ka scheme Chief Minister Youth Development. Ka Kong JM Nong Kendri District Employment Officer kala dan lang ban yarap bat ban betin lenti ya ki Samla ha ka ne ka Lumpung. Daki spamut ki Samla kenthe bat chenrang kila tu syakane kamela ban yo jingte patikna ya kilat yo kam yo jam.
Work hard enough to grab it. So please take advantage. Thank you for being here. Thank you for showing yourself up on this day. I hope that all of you return with jobs that you are looking for, that suit your skill set and that simultaneously matches your aspirations and will help you grow further. But the request that I want to make to you is, make yourself stand out in any job that you are going to do. That's how you make yourself irreplaceable, that's how you grow. Everyone will get into, you'll have colleagues, but only if you stand out in terms of what you'll deliver, then only you'll become irreplaceable, then only you are going to be valued by the company that you'll be working for. So that's my only request. I come across this perception, this is something that is voiced by many people. As I've already said, that people from Northeast, not just Meghalaya, entire Northeast do not work hard enough. But I am chairing an office, heading an office, which is DC office, and I have people who work extremely hard. Extremely hard. I had a function the other day in my residence, for which some stalls, etc. had to be set up. Canopy, etc. had to be installed, all these arrangements had to be done. People work till 2 a.m. in the morning, and all these were local youths only, local tribals.
Ginoyalam kaseng Neutra Youth Council HYC West Khasi Hills District haka jingalam President Samla lumlang kharsim li haka khat Neutrik NOHPRAH kilaya kendu ya UDC ke West Khasi Hills District ba Garrett LSN Dykes banyak ran halor ki babun ki jing ujor ki Samla watkam haka bayadai berkajing tho examen DSC. Kartu kani ki jing ujor baka seng kalayo pediang na ki Samla watkam Kilapan pau hakmat UDC ya kajing pa tho examen da ka descriptive type question ya ka subject khasi ka basan po marks kajing pamphlet ya kijing kili hakmat kinong tho examen kajing ailad ban pendan kam ki mobile hakija ka tho examen bat kiwe de kumta na kalyang juga seng kala kentu ya UDC ban shimkhia ban penya janai ya ki examen DSC ban Peit sani ya kini kijing ujor na ki Samla watkam Ginoyalam seng giwer ki Samla watkam ban mi shakmat ban ujor lada ki lap ya kajing bambiang karu kompenya tho examen knang ban penkhut ya ka thungkam DSC kane kadan kam ya kajing atrelang hapedeng ka DSC bat ki candidate kaseng ka karpat ru ya UDC ban penbena ba ya barok ki pos ki bathli haka DSC ka ba UDC ulakular haka phase 2 ne ka wat ka ba ar ba unsa penbena ba ndadep kane ka examen DSC ka padang ya chaprang
Pemerintahan Nagaland jungi ke Neutra Youth Council HYC West Khasi Hills District Iwan banyak kendu ya Deputy Commissioner District halor ke dikam jangka DSC ke bangi jubudin nak wei pos wei pat Nagaland jungi ni soban ai khublai ru ya DC la sei lomba kanika jingdon jong sar garot hakni kum Deputy Commissioner ni iba Nagaland jangka DSC kala compare ban nujol berkisnam iba ladap se takadau Nagaland jungi Iwan ban kerpat ban ya terlang badi ban wanrak susu ya tagajing khuj gajing subah hak badi ke DSC hak ni ki tayo bala dep khantam hak badi ki katuk ni ki pos namta kum ka nuksa namta ka fishery demonstrator barki weiru ki pos khantam na ka pos ni I bag ni ki exam ko bala dep nagaliang jong ki baset gajing kli wanrak ya kata gajing set gajing kli hak dot jong ka descriptive hak jaka jong ka objective namta ka khasi Thì sẽ muốn cái sama cái là complain chẳng nghi và cái để sẽ cái xem chính ban thọ cái descriptive về hadin bằng lệ cân độ về sao mà cái này cái đây cắt cung cái OM trong government thìวันนักเรียนtrong ISDC là thu và cái chính quá cái trong cái OM government cái chính quá government ban ra ya kata cái chính thọ ya cái descriptive hak đây cái subject khasi khang ban pencisa susu ya cái này nomor 3 cắt cung cái OM government ta kaba khasi jantia angaro gede 40% lagi district gede bandio ki kam ki jam kumta re de nak kata kata wan ra ya ni ko em ko bathmai khnang ban pinsisha ba kila ban tho ban tar ka tin la jong la ni ko local language ka ba ki gidan ki district ba fer khnang ba kin yo e ko ba ha 40% tingej ba ki Samla ru kin sasu thu ya ni ko banta bar kan salong susu ru ka jingkir kun nam tai Samla ba la 40% kumba ka kum ni ko em ko ba menta te sakawai ru ha ba dei Habis ke jing ujor yang kandidat ya ke jing laplit lupa ya ke jing keli perwan ra ka haki exam hall nagalian jungi le kendu dising le banyak keren nagalian jungi la kerpat ba la kan nu kumba ka kumba ngir ngi kwa ba ya kini ki yakini ki jingkli deban plit hak khmat jong ki candidate khnang ba
Ka JAC na kilay tili ki polling station bakan thup ya kamisay langdong dai bat maus mai ki bakan thup arphuway tili ki shnong haka khanyo tarik NOHPRAH kala shong isi kerke haka dorbar hall misay polling station. Ka JAC kala ay khublay ya uba PNCM Deputy CEM bat u chairman ka delimitation committee ba ulara shisha ya ka jingdawa ban penphai biang ya ki arphuway tili ki shnong bakan thup hakilay tili ki polling station na Rambrai Jerngam constituency sha Mountain Road constituency. Ka JAC ka ay khublay ya uba penyat sing CEM ba ula kershan lang ban wanra ya ka jingdawa ban penphai biang ya ki arphuway tili ki shnong haka EC meeting jong ka KHADC. Ka JAC ka kerpat ya ki lai phongut ki MDC ka KHADC ban kershan lem ya ki jingdawa ki pat ba jong ki arphuway tili ki shnong ban penphai biang na Rambrai Jerngam constituency sha Mountain Road constituency haka dorbar telang ka KHADC ka ban sashong haka khat khandai tarik NOHPRAH. Kumban penken mau baki arphuway tili ki shnong na lai tili ki polling station kila penlong ya ki public meeting halai tili ki polling station ban pensngau ya ka sur persha halor ka jing penken ria jubor ya arphuway tili ki shnong na Mountain Road constituency sha Rambrai Jerngam constituency. Haka khat khandai tarik NOHPRAH ka KHADC kan shong dor bar ban rai khaddu halor kan ni ka jingdawa jong ki pai ba na ki te ki lai tili ki polling station. Kinoy alam ka JAC kinwan up hakerdop KHADC banyo sngow ya karai jong ka KHADC halor ka ni ka jingdawa jong ki khmi lenti ba ka KHADC kan penne ha Mountain Road constituency Khuborjylla baro shikarta.
Jongi nakamta ban pas ban review bang lane ban ai yangi lane ban pan phai bang yangi na ka Rambrai constituency sha ka Mountain Road constituency yakini lightly polling station ha ka khat khandai tarik ka ban long ka meeting lane ka jing yamir jingmut jong ka KHDC nakleng jongi ngela karpat karpon ya baro ki MDC basngo ba ban kershan lem but yarap lem yangi ya kene ke jing karpat karpon ga jongi namar ba kumban phaidin khndiat ngela panlong ya lightly ki public meeting but ngela karpat EP ba sngoba ban yarap lem nakum ta jongi hadin nang ta ngela airu ke jing tho sha uba penyai sing sim kum CM kum juru sha uba PNCM kum u chairman jok selection committee hadin nang ta pade ngela leit ru ban yeng ban tit ya ka KHDC ban snap ya ka sur jingkar pat jongi de hadin nang ta pade I ba PNCM ibade chairman jok selection committee but ha ka jingdon kat jong ba tetus khan ibade u opposition party lane ibade u nong petai ya ka KHDC ibade u noyalam jong kaleng persya u don kat hak to kesngi but ndang ya mir jingmut hak to kesngi nakaleng jongpi pilakular ba anwanra hakisi but kumba pilakular hi pilawanra sisya pangi kermen ba hakak khandai tarik nakaleng jong ba tetus khan kumba ulakular khmat jongi hak to kasngi bas ngaba ban kershan lem yangi ban pensuk yangi nakane ke jing ke jing janjar hakayat ke yeng kumjuro na ke jing jingai jong ka constituency te kumjuro ngi kerpat khamtam ya uba jigur kum local MDC uba bajob kum local MDC nangta ya arngut ki MLA uba dai barit metho bat kum juru u sar RG uba dai local MLA jong kane ka dong ka thang jongi ngi kermen ba nakaleng jongi ki pai ba ngi khmilenti banakaleng jong phiru phinia don tilem nakamta ban penwan lem penwan biang yangi na Rambrai Jerngam sha Mountain Road constituency te sachisin nakaleng jongi ngila ya rai bat shimru dakawe ke jingmut bahak to kasngi ngin up ya kata ka Khubor ka babha hakmat jong ka KHDC hak khandai tari ban ngi kermen ba uni uso jong ka jing up jongi hak to kasngi ngin wanra banin penbena balengba jong pi ki lai pungut ki MDC jong ka ki badai ki pardo persnam jongi พินไอยังงี้ยากตากระโซกับเทียงหากบา
Katanat Puli Puthi Hadien Bakalayo Yakijindawa Nakaseng Meghalaya SSA Schools Association MSSASA Kalapan Kre Yakijinit Kijinat Baro Banterwa Shaka Sorkar Yakijindawa Jongkane Kaseng Kinohikai School SSA Karkum ka Khubor Balayo na Uvijay Kumar Mantri Commissioner Bat Secretary Katanat Puli Puthi Laong Baya Kini Kijindawa Jongka MSSASA Enra Shaka Jingyalang ka Kunhun Menteri Cabinet Meeting Hakashipau Tarik Kalalengkot Arhajar Arpusan Kaban Raikut ban pen scam kam Kinohikai SSA ban Tungkam Thamai bat Ikikundon Kibayade bat Kajing Pendep Yaka DLN
Kita kira Shillong ba base mo yaka constructive discussion kabang nilayo ban yeshong baru Honorable Education Minister hal country trik jong plai October 2006 pada hak jingi kendo jongi ban Honorable Chief Minister Sarkon Ratke sangma hak NOHPRAH trik jong plai October 2006 pada hakini ki agri ki meeting meeting ke Banongkong ke Khatratrik jong November arja aposau pat meeting ke Baar South Ring December arja aposau menin ngila shim ya karai kumtu ban withdraw ya ka propose agitation jongi bat ban continue ya ka dialogues bat ka sorkar dia ka bai dai bat kan ni ka point number 1 nakaliang jong commissioner secretary ula pediang so bahaya kani ula penpau ya ka jingkemen ke bangi nakaliang jong kinohikai SSA ngila shim ya karai ban withdraw ya ka propose agitation but ban continue ya ka discussion ke baar ke bangi la jingmut ba kidai ban exam na ka ban pass ya ka Meghalaya teachers eligibility test ni ke MTET ya baro kitu kinohikai SSA ki bala don lupa ha ka kam ni ki ba join hal ni shwa ka chitri upna Julai arajar arpho na lor ka tu ki ba kila exam ya kitu ki ba join on or before 23rd August 2010 dah kapai dai bat kani nakaliang jongkiru kila ong ba the government will be very happy if there is no conflicts between the law and order but hakapai dai bat kani nakaliang jong commissioner secretary ulo ong ba the department kan seek ya ka legal points of view now advocate general and in the next meeting unsa inform pan yangi hakapai dai bat kani ka pentra but he inform us very kalong syai bau bala betip ini ba da kamdon kanu kajingtut ha ka bai dei bat ka legal aspect na kaliang jong ka government kanong very happy ban exam ya baro no hikai SSA ki bala join ha la ni shwa ka chitri ubna Julai arjar arpho kumbala penmi notification da ka sorkar ba ka MTET kanlong mandatory nado ka chitri ubna Julai arjar arpho shaneng
Hadin balapha bun tili kishithi shaka sorkar Halor ka jingdawa jangkinong tre master role ki badon hakashatri all jantia master role workers and labor union ban pelat no ya ka basic floor rate kabay nong jangki ka baka sorkar hi kala dap mang man la ka san snem henre hadu menta la palat san snem shamsiu satya shaki kumta ka khatnyo tarik NOHPRAH ki master role shenrang bat kentei kila poi puk hamadan malki ban sha thangan hadu baka sorkar kan siu ya ki bay nong baki dei hok panyo Kini kinong tre bala haki office sorkar kila raikut bansha thangan klembu por lanu en penkut tar hadu bakinda yo ya ka hok changki Habakran Shakilat Pathai Khubor ka General Secretary Kong Weget Well Rumut kala ong haka jingshisha henin kasngi na ka liang jaga finance department jaga sorkar Jylla kala kular ban pelat no ya ko order bat pha shakatnat labor hapo nyo baje menmiet Henry hadu palat ka nyo baje ru kimyo isatya ya ko order hadu menta kasngi dei na kata kadaw la penlong yangi ban poi shanong ba Shillong ban penlong da ka jinga ki shat thangan baklembu por bat kala ong ru menta kin beteng bet ban shong shat thangan hadu bandayo i ya ko order bala pelat pat ba da ka so
ngi naka liang jong ka all jantia mutual workers ni wan hang ne naka benta jong ka nong ka benta ka baka sorkar ka dai ban ayangi ka dai ka basic floor rates ka baka dai ban pelait no namar ba kat kum ka an baka sorkar hi ka dai ban pelait ya ka ne ka nong ka jongi na ka sisen sansnem ka badai ka basic floor rates te kat kum ka jingyai lenti jongi kum ka seng nila lai ban ai ya ki reminder shaki shaka sorkar bahkan sngew bha ban pentrai kam no ya kene ka jing dewa ka jongi ya kene ka hak ka jongi hai ka jingai lenti ka jongi ka long kala sim kumba kala long kapor la sisnem kala tam na ka san snem la long reus nem sau benai te ka jingai lenti ka jongi ka long ka kalong ka ba ado kata na marbaya ka hak ka bangi dei hak ban yo ngimpat yo haduk menta te balengi wan hang ni ye kene hi pila yo hi na dok mensua na dok basdang jong ki general meeting saman ki block unit ngila ya pembai ba ngila pensngau hi ka sarkar ro ba hak ka khatngau tu rek lada ka sarkar hi kam ai ka ne ka hak ka benta ka jongi ngin ye wan hang ne ban penlong ya ka hunger strike ka ba long klem Khubor haduk ba ka sarkar kan ai no ya ka order ya hak ka benta ka bangi dei ban yo kum ki nong tre belas ngi hapok jongka te ha kajinga lenti jongi menin ngila ya kendo bat ki finance jong ka
Kinoyalam kunhun kinongnya arshaka balatib kumka The Ultimate Legend Bikers Association tulba haka khatnyo tarik NOHPRAH kila penlong ya kajingya rally de ki tuk kaba la sedang na State Central Library Shillong bat penkut hasnong nyang riang Eastern West Khasi Hills District ya kaba ka seng haka ni kasngi kala IT sundon ya ka ying shaki langur ki khun swet ki baladu no ya laki kumiki kpa bat lari la sumar da ka meihe jongki ya kani ka yeng la penshna da ka tulba bala no senyang da baro ki de khod ki ba na ki unit ba pher badru na ki reu pa ba ki bala no snobha da ka jingsbun mensim ya kini ki khun swen shwaban IT ya kani ka yeng la yo ban penlong ya ka jingalang lingkot haplau bat ki la samru e ki kombor kum ki jing ai snobha hakat tu ka ningut ki nong shong shnong kemenlang hakane ka ayom Christmas Hadian kata lapan kentang ya kani ka yeng do pastor El Karbudon. Hakani ka sngi layadon lang u presiden katulba ba O Shulai, sekretari uba B Mayong, ba Kinong Bri vice president usor darshnong bat ki dekot na ki unit paper bat ki pad ba na kani ka shnong.
Bong raya lam yangi uladala ri sumar yangi bagila poi hadu kani ka jaka. Kandong ngadap di kisau komen Bagi lala pan pendek ya ka ke bau belai ulapha yangi sagani ka jaka ban pensna ya kani ka yen pitip belai baga ong kumta ni na sentral gimtip ngimi tho ya ka jaka gimti tho ya kini ki breu kimdai ki badat daga application lani kanu ngi wat do president jo kamairang ru umpoi berkhat umpoi sagani ka jaka nga ka tu kasi gadang Dang kren yo presiden jong kamairang wong ding aslo bayo yo poho kahai ma mata sulam ngo bitip kani ka kam jong bulai ya ka bulai ujuba ya ka jing duai jong gini ki kon swan ukor khu ya ki langba jong langba ka tolba kanto aslo so tendak bagalayo bangila hoy ngawan man katayo Ngayon gani gayeng na Peit Andre ka ka mga sultanat do ka mensim nga kalau ba ila perdep ya ka ka mau blay la pa ni taksi kung inya tak tilang brokat ka de kersani dan unit buker kaniat nganya tu ipi katolba nado basang ya ka katolba ila seng ong ban leis nei ban no senyang hak imlang kasalang Om day tang nagani kisnayeng yiki badok daki bay kurukom daka bapang khon yiki snong kathaw la jong daka kumbale gi unit man lagi sami kitin
Uba Hamletson Dotling President Meghalaya Football Association haka khatnyo tarik NOHPRAH ula peli sedang no yaka First and Second Division Football League arhajar arpusau hadu arpusan balapan ya daka Ranikor Civil Subdivision Sports Association hamadan yalekai Nolikata Southwest Khasi Hills District Uba Hamletson habakran kubukongsan ula ay kublay kerpang yaka Ranikor Civil Subdivision Sports Association kabala penong yakani kajingele kai ban kentiu yaki Samla ban say yala kisap ki pong bakidon ula ong ka All India Football Federation kadon yaka jing tumu ban penlong yaka lumpung yale kai football ba hebha hado ba Asia bat kanong ba Shillong kan yo banta hauluber arhajar arpusan hapadeng ka India bat ka Bangladesh Kabajop kan sarong haka Asian Cup. Ula kentu ki Samla ban pentebet haka football ban light na ki jing snew ba bonjat ki ba pentron yakamet bat yakalawe jongki. Kigun hon ki balaya lekai haka ni ka sni sedang kilong ke Evergreen Sports Club Persha yaka Don Sokhai SNCC haka ba kini kigun hon ki layak hat klempen ki jar na baro arliang.
Thằng talare. Logare ke anak kon yang berhan.
Regular kedal 14, barat 16, barat kemudian ke tim kojok kali jombi karena pada hasilnya karena berbeda kai yang kami dengan tinggi. Kini kita bawa mereka jalan ke sini pada instruksi dari Jogi hari kapur pada JNEHU program mereka berdua dapat instruksi itu. Para kita guna employ Jylla remember Jylla employ Jylla Mendaru dan pulau yang kemudian di tiga sekarang lagi lagi security di sekarang ini dapat kantor dulu tadi sama pada 14 pada 16 pada hasilnya beliau bersama apa Meghalaya di kita kita kalau boleh pada jengkil jong di Khubor apa di Jylla kejongi dan lagi cuma aku dari sisi di Barhoi di Kerbang di Kerenko Civil Subdivision Sport Association bersama dengan Jombi berkenal baik berkala asal si betul sobat LFA kemudian ke football dan melombai manusia ke football dan manusia tapi penonton itu
Kipat ba kathan sora kilayo iya udron ubala one swipe na Bangladesh ki put ki sam kari India. Kani kalapan hair serngiew kipat ba kani kathan. Haka khatnyo tarik NOHPRAH Menteri ki kampo yeng ke Jylla ba Preston tensong ulakran hakinong tho Khubor haka ba ulaong ba ka sorkar Jylla kala pentip syaka sorkar India bat syaki Border Security Force BSF ya kani ke Jingja. Ulaong ru ba ka sorkar India kala shimkhia ya kani ke jingher swat udron na Bangladesh. Ulaong ru ka sorkar Meghalaya kala shimekilat kilenti ban yada ya kipat ba kani ke Jylla. Ula kentu kipat ba banum sir na mar ka sorkar kala shimkhia ya kani ke jingher swat udron na Shillong khaput. Ula batha ru kipat ba ban petngor ban pentip lada kiyo iya kinu ki drone ki ba her swat hakathan jongki.
Bangladesh drones has even reached up to Cherrapunji. So these issues are always being closely discussed between the state government and the central government. So I'm very sure we are in a position to make sure that things is under control and nothing to worry about. We appeal to all the Indian people not to worry about whatever, and we are there. We are committed to make sure that our country is intact and our country is totally safe. We are in touch. We are in touch between the state government and the Ministry of Home Affairs. We are always in touch, almost twice a day, and then we are also sharing the inputs each other. But I'll not be able to detail everything, whatever we shared between the Ministry of Home Affairs and the state government. Thank you. Thank you.
Bat akitu ki Khubor nglapoy chikabakun tak hadu bangenda syambiang Khublei Shibun.